What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the APT 288 SEBX. This is going to be our hanger kit for a 7,000 pound tandem axle trailer. Right here, this will be the box you get. You look inside. We'll get 2 front hangers. We're going to get 2 rear hangers. We're going to get 2 center hangers. And we're going to get 2 equalizers. We're also going to get 8 9/16 inch by 3 inch long shackle bolts and locking nuts. And we're going to get 2 7/8 by 4.5 inch long bolts with the greaserts on them. These are for the equalizer centers. We'll get 2 of those. So these do require axle pads already welded onto your axle. We do not have them in this kit, but we do sell them separately. We'll measure this kit out. So we're going to go from the welded surface to the center of the bolt hole. And here that's going to be 3 3/4. On our center hangers, that's going to be 3 1/2. And on our rear hangers, it's going to be 5 inches. Our equalizers from center to center are going to be 9 1/2. And then the way this works, we're going to have our front hanger. This will be the one towards the truck. We will slip our spring through, throw our shackle bolt through, and these nuts have a little line on the top, and you want that line going away from the bolt. You'll just slip your nut right on. Then we'll have our center hangers, and we'll slip these on with the big bolts. And when you slip these on, you want to make sure that this side is where you're putting it into so it lines up correctly. When you put that on, you can see how it just slips in and it's flat. That's what you want, is for it to be flush. Then you slip your locking nut on. It doesn't matter which way you put this one on. And then you want to make sure that this little hump is going towards the truck, because this is where your slipper spring is going to sit on. And we'll put the shackle bolt through right there to hold it in, along with your locking nut. And then we're going to have our other slipper spring, and you're going to put the bolted side on this side, slip your shackle bolt through. Then we're going to have the rear, and your slipper spring is going to rest on this piece right here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Not too bad. Thanks for watching. That was the APT 288 SEBX.